Hello everyone, I want to give you a little tour of our Canvas page. It's changed a little bit if you've been in Canvas before. They did an update recently. So now we have this column on the left side with all these options that used to be across the top of the screen. Now it's on the left side. So your account, your dashboard, courses, calendar, inbox, and Commons. Commons gives you a bunch of different videos you can go look at. Still trying to figure that one out myself. Then we have this column that was here before that has like home, announcements, assignments, discussions, and so on. So here's our page. Here's what the syllabus is. A little video about myself. Syllabus review, Canvas tour, which is this thing. Course objectives. Homework options. I guess contact information and question response time. Question responses. Let's see. I probably should get rid of this phone number because it's no longer good. And you just get the cell number. So I'll respond to phone calls and emails within 48 hours, not counting weekends or holidays. I will also respond to posts in Ask Your Instructor. Actually, that's more for the Math 120. So for posts made in discussions, I will give students time to respond to the post because you get credit for responding to posts. If a question is directly for me, email me because it should come to me directly. So I'll be taking weekends off, so if you send me a message during the weekend, it may be until Monday or Tuesday until you get a response. So my phone number, my cell number is there, email is there, and that's about it on that one. And then so you have options on homework for this. You can do paper homework, and you'll see the assignment list down here, assignment sheet, or you can do it in Hawks. So Hawks is if you want to do online homework or even online exam. If you want to do the paper ones, you download the exam and work it out and send it back to me. If you do the paper homework, you will need to take pictures of it and send it to me. Or scan it. And there's a really cool app for cell phones called Tiny Scanner, and it allows you to take the pictures of all your homework or exam and it'll bundle it into one PDF file, and then you can upload it to me. It's really cool. And what else do we have in here? Participation discussion points. You need to do 10 discussion postings for the semester. And that's that. I mean, 10 discussion postings, not that hard to do, but it really is painful when someone doesn't do their 10 postings and they drop from like a 92 to a 77, and they get really upset about that. I'm like, well, I told you you need to do it. You chose not to do it. So it's pretty simple. You go over here to discussions, and someone beat me to the first introduction. So good job, Linda, for beating me. I'm going to go ahead and do one. Hi, everyone. My name is Jeff. I am the instructor for this class. I'm looking forward to this summer with you. I enjoy camping, hiking, jeeping, mountain biking. Probably 2 words. What else do I enjoy? Oh, skiing. I think I have 1, 2. There we go. See you online. Look, if I was a student, that'd be 10 points of my postings right there. 10 of the 100. 1 of the 10. They're 10 points each. Okay. So, it's that simple. We have modules here. Modules are set up to where you can, all the lessons are in here. So, for example, we start with 1.2. So chapter 1 is really a review. It's intended to be a review. I find a lot of people are missing a lot of that knowledge, so they get frustrated with how much we're covering in such a short time. First of all, we're doing it in half the time, so We get 8 weeks instead of the full 16. Okay, what I have is I have a video for every lesson, and there's a transcript of the video. There's the lecture notes, which are what I'm working on the board if you watch the video, and the blank lecture notes, which again is what I'm working on the board. I also have videos to other people, of other people doing the same topic. So you can click on that or watch those videos if you want another explanation. So back to the modules. The first one, by the way, is just a lot of how to use Canvas, standard stuff they give us. Now, after you've covered the material for a quiz, like quiz 1 covers 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. So there's quiz 1. Then here's 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8. There's quiz 2. So the quizzes follow the content that's on the quizzes. I hope that makes sense. And then there's a place to upload your homework if you're doing paper homework. And then there's chapter 2, there's chapter 3. Then we have our midterm. In fact, I've already written the midterm, and it'll unlock on July 4th if you're doing the paper one. Then here's chapter 4 and 5, and then there's your final exam. I've written that too. But will not unlock until August 1st. Okay, well, let's get back over to the main page, see if there's anything else I may have forgotten. Oh, there is something called Brain Fuse. And this is an online tutoring thing. Okay. The college pays for so many hours of it. I don't know how many you get exactly, but you get so many hours, and then if you want more, you can pay. Well, looking forward to this. Please let me know if you have any questions, and as I said earlier, I will see you online.